Hello everyone, welcome back to Crochet Knit Crafts. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to crochet this puff stitch. This stitch is a beautiful textured stitch that creates a soft raised bumps on your crochet fabric. It is commonly used in blankets, sweaters, scarves, cardigans, baby items, and even crochet flowers. If you're an absolute beginner, don't worry, I'm going to explain every step slowly and show you exactly where you place your hook. So let's get started. For this tutorial, you will need yarn, crochet hook, scissors, yarn needle. If you'd like to weave in your ends later, you can use any yarn and a matching hook size. Start by making a slip knot. If you don't know how to make a slip knot, I've got a video on that. Go check it out. And we're going to chain 20. So you yarn over, then you pull through the loop. That's how you make your chains, and we're going to make 20 chains. When making your chains, try not to pull them too tightly, because tight chains can make your first row difficult to work into. So make sure they are not too tight and they are not too loose at the same time. So once you are done with your 20 chains, we will start row 1. Next, we are going to insert your hook into the second chain from the hook, and we're going to make a single crochet. So to make a single crochet, you yarn over, pull up a loop. Now we have got 2 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through all those 2 loops. Now that's a single crochet done. So we are going to repeat that all the way across the row, and once you reach the end, chain 1 and turn your work. Now we are ready to make our first puff stitch, but before we do that, you're going to chain 1, turn your work, and into the very first stitch we are going to do a single crochet. So insert your hook, yarn over and pull through all 2. So now we're going to yarn over, skip the stitch, into the next stitch, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, but the loop should be very long. And now you have 3 loops, and what you're going to do next after this, which we have, you're going to yarn over again, insert into the same stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop. Now we will have 5 loops on our hook. We are going to yarn over again, insert, yarn over and pull up a loop. Now we have 5, 6, 7. Now we're going to yarn over again, insert, pull up a loop. Now we have 9 loops. So we're going to count here and make sure that you have got your 9 loops on the hook. Once you have 9 loops, yarn over and pull through all 9 loops on your hook. That's a puff stitch. We're going to chain 1 and go to the next stitch. So skip the next stitch, into the stitch after that we're going to repeat again. Yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull up a loop, 3 loops, again yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull up a loop. Now we've got 5, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull up a loop, 7, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull up a loop. Now we've got 9 loops. So whenever you have 9 loops, that's when you yarn over again and pull through all 9 loops. That's another second puff stitch. Now we're going to chain 1 and we're going to repeat. Skip the next, into the next stitch, repeat that again, and make sure that you yarn over 4 times. So that's 1, now 2 here, 3 and 4. Now we are going to yarn over and pull through all 9 loops on your hook. That's another way of checking if you are doing the same pattern. Now we're going to repeat the stitch all the way to the end, and I'll be back when I'm done with my puff stitch. When you are done, you'll be left with 2 stitches, and we are going to make a single crochet into the last stitch. So insert your hook in there, yarn over, and complete your 1 single crochet. So to make the texture stand out, we are going to work a row of single crochet. So from here, we are going to chain 1, turn your work, and we are going to place 1 single crochet into every stitch and every chain 1 space across. So this row helps separate the puff stitches and makes the texture more visible. So we are going to chain 1 and turn our work and continue the pattern. So what you're going to do here, like I said, is just placing 1 single crochet into every stitch and every chain 1 space all the way across. From here, simply alternate puff stitch row, single crochet row. The more rows you add, the more beautiful texture you'll see. And that's how you crochet the puff stitch. This stitch is perfect when you want texture without making your project overly complicated. If you enjoy this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment telling me what stitch you would like to learn next.